driving my 1962 Daihatsu Fellow, which is a twin-cylinder, two-stroke, 360cc. It doesn't make all that much power, but it sounds good. It's a little bit smoky at the tailpipe. You've got to drive it with a little bit of aggression, but also a slight bit of finesse, and it respects you the same way that you respect it. It's an awesome little car, and I really do enjoy driving this thing. It puts a massive smile on my face. It's not very spacious inside, and I know that I'm quite a larger variety Australian bloke, but you can still fit 4 people in here. Being a 60s car, this thing has obviously got some age to it. The seats, there's like no foam left in the seat, so currently my T3 and 4 is resting on a metal bar, which is not the most comfortable, but it's all part of the experience of driving your car. I'm also in an 80 zone doing 60, which is why someone is tailgating me behind. This has got 4-wheel drum brakes. It's a single master cylinder system. So if there's a brake failure, we've got the handbrake to back us up. It's a 4-speed manual with reverse. It's a rear-wheel drive car, so the engine's in the front, north-south, 4-speed gearbox, tail shaft to the rear diff, and it's undergone a bit of a rest though. If you haven't seen the videos, there's videos on the main channel, so check that one out. But again, I really do love driving this car. It's awesome for getting coffees, lunch, or doing a parts run like we're doing today. And it's not perfect, I will say. It definitely needs a bit of love. The carby needs a bit of a tickle up, especially now we're in the colder weather. I've actually got the choke on.
Yeah, so when you're fiddling with that, I was like, yeah.
The chokes, well, choke means a few things too, but I don't think there's an air leak. I think it's just, I don't know, just needs to go up a jet size maybe. I did have plans to put like an expansion chamber on this thing, or a set of expansion chambers, but I think I'm going to pretty well leave it standard as it is, because I really do enjoy driving this car. So this is a day in the life of a 1960s Daihatsu Fellow, and this is Skid Factory After Hours, where I'm going to be posting a whole lot of random stuff like this. So if you like lawnmower noises coming from a Daihatsu, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Drive safe and enjoy the moment. Cheers.
Sweet. Gonna cut some herbs.